Hi guys and welcome back to DivByDiv. Today I'm gonna teach you everything about HTML lists. Let's get started. So as first thing, let's create an index.html in our project folder. So let's say touch index.html. Let's open with Sublime the project. Okay, let's open our index. Let's populate it. Let's create HTML lists, and we are ready to start. Imagine a list as the ones that you're using in your life. For example, the shopping list. In HTML, we can represent your shopping list in three different ways. The first way is by using an unordered list. The second way is using an ordered list. And the third way is by using a description list. Let's start from the unordered list. The tag to define an unordered list is UL. Now consider this as the wrapper of the list items that are defined by another tag that is called li, list item. So inside the UL tag, we are going to create an li tag where we can say item1 for now. As you see in the browser, it starts to show the list with the dot and the item name. Now we can add more items inside this UL called item 2, item 3, and we will have them inside the list, represent them by dot item name. Okay, let's make it interesting. Let's say that the shopping list is like meat, vegetables and milk, right? So we have this list with meat, vegetables and milk. Now I want to have different kind of meats, so I can also nest a list inside another list. Let's see how. So we can say list meat, but then I can create another UL tag with chicken and beef. So now I have a nested list inside a list, and is represented this way in the browser. Okay, now let's remove the nested list, and let's go back to the state where we have like 3 items. And imagine that we have like not 3 but 6 or more, right? And you are at the shopping mall, and as you know, there are like different lines. Some lines, when you have less than 15 items, are faster, so it's better to know how many items you have in your cart, right? From an unordered list you can just count them one by one, but with an ordered list instead you can easily know how many these items are. So, to transform this unordered list to an ordered list, you just need to change the UL tag in the OL tag. So let's change it here and in the end. Let's refresh. And now we have the list represented by numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 18. So in this case I know that I have 18 items, and unless I return 3 of them, I need to make the longer line. In the order list, I can apply a tag that is called type, where I can define how I want to enumerate the items in the list. For example, this is the default one, that is the numeric. But if I change and I want to type A, for example, I'm gonna have these items that are enumerated by alphabetical letters. And since I choose the type A and the A letter is capital, I have all capital letters. If I was choosing a lowercase a, I will have all the items enumerated by alphabetical letters, but lowercase. I can also choose the default that was the numeric one, or I can choose the Roman numbers. In this case I have the list in Roman numbers. As last thing I can have Roman numbers but in lowercase, and you just need to type the I letter in lowercase. Okay, that was it for today. Now you know everything about the HTML lists and you can start to use them. Comment if you have questions, like this video if you do, and subscribe to the channel if you are not. I'll see you next time and happy coding. Ciao!